Vans are the backbone of industry, and today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the MAN TGE 3. The TGE has 3 load lengths but also 3 heights, so you have a setup for pretty much every requirement. Now when it comes to loading, you have a massive side loading door and it can open up to 1,311 millimeters, making loading really easy. But also, to make loading even easier, it has a low floor at only 570 millimeters. You do get steel wheels as standard, but you can also choose from a range of alloys like these really nice black ones. At the back you have doors that can open further than 180 degrees. All you have to do is lift that bar there, which is really easy, and then they go all the way around to the side and can attach with a magnet. And I think that is going to make everybody's life really easy. Load volume, well, you can have up to 18.4 meters cubed of space to use, which is massive. You can have up to 14 different anchor points, so securing things is not going to be a problem. You've got reinforced flooring, so when you can put in pallets in, it can take some abuse. Then when you want to light up the interior, you can have the optional LED lights, which you can turn on and off using this button here at the back. When it comes to towing, you can tow up to 3.5 tons, and talking about weight, this vehicle starts at 3.5 tons and it goes all the way up to 5.5 tons. The first thing I notice in the TGE is there's a lot of plastic instead of soft touch materials, which I think is a good thing because in a commercial vehicle it's probably going to get a bit of a beating, so you don't want to worry if something gets marked or scratched. When it comes to space, well, there is loads in here. You've got massive door bins, you've got space underneath the door handle, you've got shelves above the driver, cubbies up here on the dash, more space there, cup holders. You even have space underneath the seats. There's a multifunctional steering wheel, which is really easy to use. And another thing is you have a really good amount of steering rake adjustment, so you can adjust it to exactly the position you want, which is nice to have. Coming on to tech, well, you have a 10.4 inch touchscreen display and you can go up to a larger 12.9 inch as an option. Now this is purely touchscreen, and one thing I will say is you don't have any physical buttons for your volume or your climate control, which I personally am not a fan of. You can still use it quite easily, but I do like a physical button. You also have a digital driver's display, which again is really clear, gives you a good amount of information. Something I think is good is you get 3 USB-C chargers. You've got 2 down here between the passenger and the driver, and then there's also another one up on the dash. Driving itself, it feels very stable. The steering is light, so especially when you're going around towns and cities onto construction sites, that's going to be a plus because you can easily maneuver the van. When it comes to engines, you have 2-litre engines with a variety of different power outputs. You have a 6-speed manual like the one I'm using now, and you also have an 8-speed automatic. You can get the TGE in front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, but there's also the addition of all-wheel drive, which I think a lot of people will find useful. Visibility-wise, it's really good in this van. You've got big door mirrors, you've got a nice big front screen, and another option that you can have, which I think a lot of people will probably go for, is the option of a heated windscreen. Driving position, it's really comfortable. Plus you also have a nice armrest, which just adds to the overall comfort of this van. Driver assistance, well, you've got lane keep assist, which some people like. I personally am not a massive fan of it because it can be a bit annoying and oversensitive, but you do have it. And you've also got the likes of cruise control. So there you have it, the MAN TGE 3, a seriously capable, practical van with strong engines and great load space. Now, if you would like any further information on this van, then as always, please get in contact.